No cords, welcome to the future. VEVOR circular saw. I'd like to thank the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions in this video are my own. Oh yeah. So in the box, you'll have the saw, you'll have the saw blade, you'll have your instruction manual, extra parts, battery, and the charger. All the important stuff that you're gonna need to get going with your cordless circular saw today. This part is a guide. If you want really straight, accurate cuts, you can use that side, or you could use this side for smaller sections or large. Ties down, stays in place. You have an Allen wrench, which is great that they provide this. It's nice that it's got a little home. Harder to lose that way. That would go over here on this side for your saw blade. Let's take a peek at the saw blade. 7 1/4 standard size, fully functional and operational. You can take this out here like this. There's a little button up here. Comes with an 18.5 volt lithium ion battery, 4 amp hours. It does have an indicator light on here for the battery. Battery comes in about half charged. How do I know that? Well, 2 lights were lit up when we first got it, and then I gave it a good charge, so we're fully charged. It does have an angle adjustment on there, so you get your absolute 0 on there, and it goes all the way to a 45-degree angle. That's the depth of it. You can adjust the depth to a very low depth. Lock it in place. If you're doing interior work stuff, it does come with this attachment, which I like. Attaches right like so, and then it does screw in so it stays in place. Hook a shop vac up, clean work environment. In all seriousness, this thing cuts like a beast.